So if you're running a small business, you'll often find that you're trying to produce lots of content to promote the pages and the products or services that you have to offer. Actually getting those posts out with relevant content that will catch the eye of the user of the social media platforms can take time up. This video will show you how you potentially schedule a series of posts with title, keywords, and paragraph on content that is relevant to the subject. This particular case, I'm looking at training. I'm looking at how we can provide training to businesses. I'm actually posting to a number of accounts at the same time, scheduling for a certain time throughout a month. So first things first, you'll need to essentially have is something like social media. You'll also need to be able to be logged into those accounts and ready to set up. And you'll also need ChatGPT for your content creation that's free. Along with that, you will probably need something like Social Module, and you'll also potentially need to have your website with the content and featured image. If you have all that ready to go, following a similar example to this, you can schedule a month's worth of content in a very short period of time. To give you an example, this video took roughly 6 minutes to create with only the SEO content, the ChatGPT content created beforehand. I hope you find the video of use. My name is John Ferris. Please give us a like, subscribe, or comment. Thanks very much indeed, and please follow through with this video to learn more. So I'm currently using ChatGPT to schedule posts. You can see what I put in here, and you can see some examples further up as well. So this is a regular way of actually undertaking it. You can see I'm looking at week 4, so I'm going to copy week 4. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going into social manuals, so I'm copying and pasting that into there. That allows me to post content in bulk, which I find really useful. And I can take the keywords that have been set up from the description I put in, and literally I am now taking that information together, and it's on a theme. So I'm posting a whole group of content together, and what we're going to do is a couple of things I'm going to highlight that we've actually got here. One is we've got the WordPress and training as keywords, and we have got together and team within this setup. So it's a group and it's a team that we're actually promoting. So what I'm actually going to do is promote that accordingly. So I would be looking for a post that will fit in within that particular category. So within my list of products, I have this particular post, which has a whole series of words that fit in, and a graphic, and a calendar, and a schedule. So again, I'm just posting this in here, and I will be not putting this out on YouTube. In this particular instance, I am purely and simply going to be looking at the attachments connected to it, which you can see we have here. We have the attachment, what it's going to look like. I am going to remove this particular video off, and you can see there's some content. In this instance, I'm going to look at making sure that a number of my prospective social media accounts will connect into this to make sure it's not customer led content. So we have a link and we have all the other bits that we might wish for. I am going to put in a space bar there, and then I'm going to start adding some hashtags in. So we're going to go for group training, and we're going to go for an additional one, which in this case is going to be WordPress, because WordPress is the area that we're involved in. Website training, and I'm going to put my surname in. So we've already got a number of different keywords in there. We've got our group, we've got we could put together maybe economic. So this will be a series of training sessions that we're going to be running. I'm now going to go here to the section here, which is a bit of a different one to what most people would expect. I'm going to go for month. Okay, so that's month there, and once a month it's going to be doing it. This is going to be posting, so it's going to be a regular series of posts that people will see. I'm then going to go to scheduling, and in scheduling I'm going to get the offer of a date. Now we are now coming into May, and so I'm going to select that particular time, and in this particular case I'm going to add in 14 as the time. So we have our image nice and clear. This is the content that's going to be going out, which is great. We're going to be attaching the media, as we can see there, and we're also going to be sending it out onto new areas I haven't done so much with. The beauty of this is it's going to all go out and all be scheduled as part of a series of content in this particular area, which should actually enhance what's actually all. So that's just the way it goes. So there we go. Thank you very much indeed for watching this video. I hope it's been of some use.